Is it possible to recover deleted call history from Android? The honest answer is that your data is recoverable. There are a lot of unfortunate situations where you might lose call logs on your Android phone. But don't worry, here is the simplest solution for you. How to get deleted call history from Android without backup. FoneDog is designed to help different kinds of phone users recover any files regardless of the circumstance of how you lost these files. Simply follow the 6 steps to recover your deleted call history from your Android phone. Step 1. Download, install, and run FoneDog Android Toolkit on your computer. Step 2. Connect the Android phone to your computer using a USB cord. Step 3. Allow USB debugging on your Android phone. Step 4. Select the file type you need to recover. In this situation, you might choose call history. Step 5. Start to scan and find the deleted call logs on your Android phone. Step 6. Choose the deleted call history and click Recover. Now, after following these 6 steps, your call history is back to your Android phone. Whatever the reason for losing your call logs, worry no more, because now with the FoneDog Toolkit, you can easily retrieve all the deleted call logs on your Android device. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get new tutorial updates.